Okay, my recording got messed up, so I'm going to go back over what I'd already done. So the first thing it said was solve the equation. And so we've got 30p squared equals 24 minus 16p. When we see the square, just like with all quadratics, we're going to have to move everything to one side. So I'm going to subtract the 24 and add the 16p. That's going to give me 30p squared plus 16p minus 24 equals 0. We want to set everything equal to 0. Then we're going to try to factor it. I took out a GCF of 2. That leaves 15p squared plus 8p minus 12. So that's my A, my B, and my C. So I did 15 times 12 is going to be negative 180 because it's a negative 12 and a positive 15. It needs to add to positive 8. That would be positive 10 and negative 8. No. Positive 18 and negative 10. Sorry about that. So positive 18, negative 10. We'll add multiply to negative 180 and add to positive 8. So I'm going to have 15p squared minus 10p plus 18p minus 12. The equal 0 just kind of hangs on. Then I'm going to do my grouping. Be 5p times 3p minus 2. And then my next grouping would be plus 6. And that would also leave me 3p minus 2, still equals 0. So I have my 2 that I took out from before, and then 5p plus 6, and 3p minus 2 equals 0. Let me give myself some more space here. There we go. Alright, so now I need to solve. Okay, so the 2, we said if it's just a number, it divides off. I don't know if you like to see the dividing by 2, but in any case, it goes away. And you're left with 5p plus 6 times 3p minus 2 equals 0. So my two answers are 5p plus 6 equals 0. If you solve for p, it should be negative 6 over 5. The other one, 3p minus 2 equals 0. If you solve for p, it would be positive 2 over 3. So those are my two answers, negative 6 over 5 and positive 2 over 3. And that was using factoring to solve the quadratic.